It's going to do Japan 11 to 3, and today I will be doing a challenge. It's called Which Food Did You Eat? And since I cannot do this alone, I will need a little help with my little sister. Alright, so this is Pan 1, 2, 3, and we are going to be doing what food. Here are the rules. No cheating. You need to put your hands out with eyes closed, and the person needs to show you guys, put it in our hands, and we eat it. And we gotta guess what it is. Alright? Pans are grabbing the food, and it's my turn to go first. So yeah, let's get this. I'm a bit scared, actually. But I'm also not, you know why? Because I know everything in the kitchen, so yada, 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 boom, boom, boom. So we're not, here are the rules. We're not allowed to peek. They need to give us a food, and we gotta eat it. And, yeah, and we gotta taste the food. And if, we gotta get the taste of it, and, yeah. Alright, and now I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh, I know what this is.
What?
It's a cheese stick. I can put money on it. It's going to be a yogurt or a cheese stick.
Dinner's served.
Alright, here she comes.
Can you open your mouth?
I'm not opening them. Put it in. Show the viewers.
Oh, I didn't.
Here it is. F. A grape.
Yes!
Mmm. That's weird.
But it's real great.
Alright.
Hey guys, Ryan's getting my food and I'm kind of actually scared, so I'm going to keep my eyes closed and stop talking. Are you ready?
No.
Good.
Still grabbing something.
Okay, I'm a bad feeling about
I
this.
close your eyes, Minister. Alright, viewers. If you guys don't know what this is, it's amazing. She loves it. Just put it in your mouth. I know your eyes are open. Get the taste of it. Come on, other half.
Wait. A Pringle.
Yeah. Yummers. Yeah, you think it's my turn again? Hales just got the last one. There's a Pringle. Oh, wait, I'm gonna go grab my. Can I have my Pringles case?
Yes.
Thank you. Now I can eat Pringles.
Remember the math first, the math works.
Pringles. You're burning in your back.
Got it. Dinner. I actually have to put this one in your mouth. You roll. Mouth. You can put it in.
Ham. Hold up.
No more. Just eat it.
Circle sprinkles?
Yes.
These are really weird. Where'd you get this from? Oh. Alright. Anyway.
Ooh, we left a finger list.
Yeah, you get a look. I don't think you're gonna get this one at all. You're just legit and have no. Okay, I need to grab a stool. So I need to go grab a stool. audience a bit more.
Oh yeah. Well, when I am getting my snack, I'm kind of scared. We already ate lunch, so I'm kind of scared. I know he's getting.
You're legit gonna have and no idea what I'm gonna give you. This legit is gonna be the weirdest thing ever.
What? A chip?
What kind of chip?
She's being mean to me.
Hmm?
We're recording a video.
What?
It's tortilla.
Tortilla.
Yeah.
Me too.
Back again to mutter.
That feels heavy.
Oh, come on. She ate all the Pringles. I don't like you.
He's very well at ruining pictures.
You're being mean to whoever the hell you are, and you're being mean, and then you're still being mean. So.
It'd be fun. How do you feel?
Whatever.
Right.
No, I can't. All right. Applesauce.
Actually, really.
This isn't my thing, right? Because I just guessed it. Kelsey, you need to give me something else.
You.
This is better than expected. At that.
What is the drink again?
All right, back to that. Oh, come on, get me my food.
I need to take your drink.
But the name was food. Give me my food. I will never guess it, she says. I swear, if she gives me like a wallet or something.
Close your eyes.
Is dinner served? Oh,
Eat
rice
it.
cake.
Eat
It's a rice cake.
Yes.
No.
Yay, let's do rice cake. I know my brother is getting something on the tablet.
Alright, dinner served. I see your eyes open. No cheater line beef. In your mouth. In. Nom, idiot.
Marshmallow.
Yep.
Mm.
No, you killed my rice cake. Oh, I have the stupid rice cake. Mother. Once again. She's gonna get me another rice cake, isn't she? I'm throwing rice cakes at you. It's something that I don't like. I'm gonna eat it. See this? Eat! That wasn't me. Eat! Eat no. Okay, come on anytime now. Oh, I know what you're giving me.
You did!
No, I didn't. You ate it. She's gonna give me Hershey's chocolate. I know her too well. I know exactly what she's gonna give me this time.
What?
I'm not telling. Because I know exactly what you're giving me. I know every single one of the kitchen sounds, and that's one of them. I can't even look. If I even try, It's just my hand. It's like, I don't know. Ruh-roh. Me? This, me, this. Any minute now, it's a minute. It's a minute and a half. I is. What is this? Okay.
Hold on.
They are! Wherever you are.
Now you have to like.
Put it in my hands and then I'll eat it. Yum, 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 yum.
I.
Wait, I know what this is. Yogurt. Mm. But you wouldn't eat it anymore.
I dang it, he didn't leave the yogurt stick. I am little guy.
Hey, don't you call me that.
Hey, Willow calls you that.
The talks.
Willow calls you that. You call.
Shut your eyes, little cheater. And put it in your mouth. Go, go, go.
Wait.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
I forgot what its name is.
Need it again? Starts with a K.
What?
You have legit no idea what this is.
Oh. Wait. What's that last letter? Oh, Kinder.
Yeah.
My favorite.
I ate half of it.
Seriously? I thought you said you hated Kinders.
Nope. Only 2 rounds left. One for me and one for her. Now get me one. Eyes are closed.
I need to get.
Alright, you're taking a share. That means you can make me a chip. Oh, I have so much freckles. Why do I have freckles? Freckles. Frickies. Freckles. Why do I have freckles? Oh, there's an ugly one right here. Ugly one. I totally don't see what she's doing. I can't see. I actually cannot see what she's doing. Okay, she's here. Give me more candy. Give me what I have. Give me. Are you there? Where is she? Where are you? Oh, you're still over there. Oh, she rolled the chair over. That's just jerky. Beef jerky. That was Dad.
I'm ready.
All right.
Close your computer.
Well, I know what this is. A marshmallow? With a Welch's fruit snack in it.
Yes.
Yes.
It's time to wrap it. Let's go outside.
This is our final round.
This is the final round. Then we're going outside to go in the pool. Then I think we'll make a video.
Maybe.
Potato, tomato. Tomato, 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 tomato.
Haley potato.
I am kind of weird. Because I lost my
I'm
teeth.
still looking, okay?
Be a nut.
Ooh, I'm smart.
Be a nut.
Close your mouth and close your eyes. Take it, eat it now. Eat it now.
Cereal.
Yeah. Good job. Bye.
Bye!
Thank you for watching this and like,
Oh, try to
subscribe.
try to
And
like
most-
it with your ear.
Try to smash it with your ear. Okay, don't break your head. Try to smash it with your ear. All
Or
right,
you can
bye.
break it